Hello, welcome my students, how are you? Today we are going to talk about lesson 4, quiz 4. Number 1, choose the correct answer from the given ones. Number 1, the interval -3 and 2, subtract -3 and 6 in brackets. We will cancel -3 here, so we will open this interval from -3 and we write 2 here and we close and 2 because we will cancel -3 only, so the result will be letter C. Okay, if root of 7 belonging to the interval x and x plus 1, where x belonging to z, then x equal space. Look at this root of 7. The root of 7 belonging to the open interval x and x plus 1, and he want to find the result or the value of x. First we can find the result about x by find the result about root of 7. Root of 7 we can find it by power 2. Root of 7 power 2 equals 7. It's okay, and 7 lies on 2 digits, such that root of 6 to power 2 equals 6, root of 8 power 2 8, and so on. So x will be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Look at root of 7 less than root of 8 less than root of 9. Okay, and more than root of 6, root of 5, root of 3, root of 4. Yes, root of 4. So square root of 7 lies on square root of 3 and square root of 4 equal to. So the root of 7 belonging to interval of 2 and 3, so x will be 2. You can use calculator to find root of 7 and you will find 2 and point and a lot of digits. Okay, we can solve it by this method or by calculator. Again, I will solve it, so x will be 2. I will solve it again. Okay, when you want to solve it, you must know square root lies between 2 digits, such that root of 7 more than root of 4, root of 3 of 9 equal 3. So square root of 7 more than 2 and less than 3 lies between 2 and 3, so x will be 2. It's okay, x will be 2. Another question number 3. R positive intersection the closed interval from -1 to 3 equal. We will solve it by using the method. Number 9, we will draw number line here. It's okay. We want to find the intersection between two intervals from -3 and 1 and are positive. It's -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, -1 closed, 3 closed, and we will color all numbers between -1 and 3. Then are positive from 0 opened to infinity. We want to find the intersection between two fifths are positive, and interval -1 to 3 is 0 to 3, from 0 to 3. 0 will be open, call 0 not belonging to this interval. Okay, 0 not belonging to our positive. So the result will be the half interval from 0 and 3 will be closed it. We will open from 0 and closed in 3. It's okay. Again, our positive intersection, the interval from -1 and 3, equal the closed interval from 0 to 3. 0 will be open and 3 will be closed. We will choose letter P. Question number 2. If x equal open interval from -infinity to 1 and y equal from -2 to 4, have closed interval, find each of the following as interval using the number line x union y. First, I will draw number line, and I will determine the two interval the number line, and then we will solve it by using union and intersection and difference and so on. First, we will write number line here. Let's see, from -infinity to 1. 1 here, 0, 1, 2, 3, it's 1. -infinity. -infinity اهو تمام. وهنا from -2 in -1, -2, from -2 closed to 4 opened. First, we can find union between x and y. The union between two interval from left hand side to right hand side, -infinity. We will open it. 2, 4 opened. So number 1. Number 2, x intersection y. Number 2, x intersection y. We have the intersection between two, from -2 to 1 open. Question number 3, x subtract y, or difference between x and y. We will cancel y. So we have the interval from -infinity to -2 open. Open interval from -infinity to -2. -infinity to -2, and we will close it in the number line, but we will open it here interval because we cancelled -2. Okay, it's question number 3. Question number 4, you want to find x complement. Number 4, x complement. Look at this x interval of x. We will complement x from 1 to infinity. We will open here, but if you want to complement it, you must close it. We will close the 1 to infinity. From 1 to infinity. Okay, it's x complement. Question 2, letter P. Find the solution set of the following equation in real numbers. 3x power 2 plus 125 equal 221. First, we're moving 125 by right hand side. Okay, 3x power 2 equal 221, subtract 125 25. So 3x power 2 equal, we'll find the result, 11 minus 5 equals 6. 11 minus 2, we can find the result, 200. And 21 subtract 125. Look at with me. 1 subtract 5, we can find it. We will borrow 1 from 2. It will be 11. 11 minus 5 equals 6. 11 minus 2 equals 9. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So we can find the result by divided by the coefficient of x to the power 2 divided by 3. Divided by 3 here. X power 2 equal 3 here. In denominator and numerator 96. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So x will be positive or negative square root of 32. Square root of 32, we know square root of 32 equal what? 16 multiply 2. 32 equals 16 multiply 2. So we can write 4 out square root, because square root of 16 equal 4, and we will write 2 here. It's equaling to real numbers, so solution set will be positive or negative for square root of 2. It's okay for you? Now we finished quiz 4. We will take quiz 5 the next time. Goodbye everybody.